I don't think is, the end of the world. But other than that, my God, does anyone see anything out there? I mean, I'm looking. I don't really see that much, but tell me. I mean, I'm looking. It's just like, Jesus, anything else out there? But anyway, let's talk about what moved yesterday. We had a couple of pops yesterday. It looks like Donut had a nice little move yesterday. Donut took a nice little hit from like $13. It has been a good IPO. I've been a big fan of Krispy Kreme, but I got out of it. I got out of it right at around like $16. I lost money on it. I got out around like 15. It just wasn't going anywhere. And, I might consider jumping back in, but I just hasn't. I don't think it's found its bottom yet. That donut. But yesterday's a day trade. It actually had a really, really nice move. So that one moved pretty nicely. Another one that I know you guys traded yesterday that we were trading was Open. Open also, once again, nice stock out of the gate at 10 o'clock. Went from like $13.80 all the way up to about $15. But if you look at it, I mean, not a lot. Nothing like Monday and Tuesday, like with some of the stocks that we traded. But you know what? It's a beautiful day here in New York. I know a lot of people are going to go enjoy the weekend. I know a lot of people are going away starting next weekend. I'm actually going to go away for a couple of days myself. And you know what? I want to get ready for September. I mean, September, October, November, I'm going to keep reminding you guys is actually some of the best days to trade. But listen, I went through my big percentage gainers and losers. And, I mean, you had this GRNQ that's out there. But you know what? It's cheap. It's, nice little move. It hasn't gone anywhere since 8:30. And then I was just working my way down the list. This stock had a nice little move, but it's trending down. It's up 63%. But I'm like, I'm not really a fan of it. It really didn't do anything in pre-market. I mean, the only stocks I kind of thought it was pretty decent was SSY. I was like, I don't know, up 11%. I might maybe scratch that one too. GOTU. This is horrible. This is so bad. GOVX. I mean, something I'll put on the C list. I might have to go on the A list. MRIN. Nice move after hours, and it just came right back down. I mean, Norman's calling Tiger. Sometimes you get a push going into this. You get a push right at the 9 o'clock time zone. But I don't know. I mean, I'm not really that impressed, Norman. Not really that impressed. I don't really see it that good of a stock right there. I mean, look, I went through the New York Stock Exchange. Look, the biggest percentage gainer on the New York is SSI. Look at it. It's gone nowhere. FL. I mean, I was going to throw FL on there. Let's call it Florida. Foot Locker, actually. But it's expensive. It's got a big spread. I mean, it's a category 4. This stock just, look, 6%. I mean, not a lot out there. So, I don't know. If you guys want to take off, take off. It's not a bad deal. But listen, at 9:30, sometimes something pops up. So I would stick around until that time, and then if I don't see anything, maybe I'll cut my losses. I don't know, you guys. Does anyone else see anything that I'm missing? Norman says I'm not impressed either. Yeah, it's just the name of the game. Even in the big percentage gainers, nothing really there. I mean, it's the only thing that's got a little bit of a push. That's it. All right, guys. So listen, I'm sorry. I wish it could be a better day, but that's not a bad thing. That's not a bad thing. You guys always want to take off on Friday, like, I got to go to work. This was great about this job, right? You come in and you're like, oh, do I jump into trading? I got to show up to work. I got to show up to work. In trading, you're your own boss. Nothing there, no big deal. But listen, we'll find something. I'm not worried about it. We usually do. Sometimes days like this end up being a great day because sometimes you find something that pops out of the open. All right. So in the meantime, guys, I'll see you. I'll get ready to start doing some commentary once the market opens up. YouTube, Facebook fans, we'll be back here at 2:30. Might find something, in the afternoon. Make sure you follow us on Twitter because we will post something also if we see some action in there. And, and everyone else, you see something, say something. Good luck, everyone. Be safe. And if I don't see you this afternoon, enjoy your weekend. We'll see you back here on Monday. Have a great day.